Alright, this next game is also for all 4 players. It's called Sound Effects. Here we go. Come on up. Alright, Jared and Dylan are going to improvise a scene, and Alyssa and Seth are going to make all of... Oh, Alyssa and... Yes, there we go. I got it correct. I'm a little tipsy tonight. And the rest of you are going to make sound effects. You got that?
Got it.
Okay, whenever you are ready. The scene is 2 buddy cops relaxing in their car just before being called to an incident.
This is a very good donut. It's not as crispy as I remember it. Still not as crispy.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm getting a call. I didn't know we had telephones in a police car.
What the
Hello?
cheese?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
What is the problem?
There's a bank robbery.
Where?
4th Street of Sabian Ave.
Are you ready? Okay, let's
this.
go. All right, put on the siren. You drive. Do we have like? Oh, we're here.
Hop out.
My car door's not closing. The window breaks every time I close it. It's not working anymore. I'll just leave it open. Okay, wait. Take your gun.
I'm gonna tase him.
Wait, not yet. We're not in yet. The door didn't open.
Take it in.
Stand on. Wait. Sounded like an explosion went off.
I'm gonna tase him.
Tase him.
Yeah. Get some. Sneak
Wait,
it,
there are more
sneak
coming.
it.
Wait,
Not naked.
take your gun. There are more coming. It's doing it by itself. Wait, it's still going by itself. It's still going by itself. Now,
That's our car. Attack the car.
our police car is going by itself. Maybe we should get in this extra car that's just laying around here. Let me see if this car door works. You have some oil? Can I have that oil again? Thank you. Oil's not coming out. Alright, let's see. It still didn't work. Forget it. Get in the car. Now it's not closing. Still not closing. Alright, go ahead. Start the car.
But my door's open.
Close it.
There we go.
There you go. Alright, start up the
I
engine.
can't reach the pedal.
Start
Help
the
me.
engine.
Help me, I can't reach the pedal.
Move. You have a chainsaw or something?
Let me see that. Let me get in there. I'm on the pedal. I'm on the pedal. Help me out.
Okay, let's go. Hurry up. They're robbing that bank.
Oh crap, this is a short turn. Watch.